So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. Still, you're going to forgive me with my microphone until I buy a new microphone. Guy, we are facing this challenge. Okay, let's see. No. So guys, we are going to fix this error. Man, I've faced this error a lot and I tried to look for different solutions. I tried to look for solutions on YouTube. They were not there. But well, surprisingly, it is a very simple solution for this error. Guys, if you're facing this error of audio, please, I've done this video for you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Young256 as always. And remember, Young256. And remember to subscribe, guys. This is our channel. Please subscribe on this channel. And the same time, I have a gaming channel, Young X Gaming. Please go and subscribe on it. Thank you so much. So let's dive into the video, guys. We are facing this error, and many of you are facing this error, and you don't have solutions for it. I said I'm sorry with my microphone. So are you done with subscribing and sharing? Let's dive into the video. You know I work for the fast learners and the slow learners. So let's dive into the video. Let me first show you that my audio is not working. Okay, this is the video. Actually, let me add it when you're seeing. Add. Let's browse it. This is the video. Let me add it. You're going to hear the like. You're not hearing the audio. Okay, let's play it. You see? Let's try to skip. You see? No bullets. The game is, you don't hear any sound in vMix. And actually, let me tell you, even in your stream, you won't hear any sound. So to prove that this audio really is not working and in the actual video it's working, let me show you. Guys, let's go slow. This is the video. You see? Actual video has the audio. So how do we do this? Okay, first you're going to close your vMix. Okay, we close it. Let's close our vMix. So you're going to right click. Let me do a chap tutorial. You're going to right click on your vMix and come to properties. Disclaimer, this video is just for study purpose. So when you open your properties, these are our properties. You're going to come to general. You're going to come here to general. Okay, then you come to system here, edit. Make sure they are all allowed here on the system. Come to your user, allow everything, allow and apply. Also first come, make sure everything is allowed here. Every user is allowed, then apply and click OK. So after this, don't open again your vMix. Right click again, come to properties. Okay, still on vMix, come to security. Sorry. Okay, minute. Come to capabilities. Here, after right clicking, go to properties, then capabilities, capability. This one. Then click run this program as an administrator. Then click apply. Change for all users. Then okay. So guys, make sure this is this. Right click properties. Make sure you've come to general and come here. Everyone is allowed. Okay, so let's open our vMix again. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Young X Gaming. With me everything is possible. So let's see if our audio is solved. Let's add a video. This is the video. Okay, let's try from that. I'm going to show on different videos how to confirm. Okay, let's play it. This is a now the audio is solved, guys. Please follow my YouTube channel for tutorials like this one. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Or if it has helped you, please come and subscribe. You can drop down a comment section a thank you. And guys, I just want to help me with my app testing. I have an app I want to test. I only need 12 testers opted in my closed testing. Guys, help me out on this. What you have to do is just send me your emails. You can put them in your comment section and I add them to users. Then I send you my app. You download it. You help me test the app for 14 days. Guys, please help me out. I really ask for this. Help me out. Thank you so much. And please subscribe. This is my new channel. It's called Young X Gaming. It has 97 subscribers. 97 subs. Help me by the end of this year. At least we make 1K subscribers. I really need it. Please help me. Help me out. Guys, why don't I sign out? Let's be testing different videos. Now I've tested this. Let's test another video. Okay. Let's add the speech of my president. Power. So, guys, it was not really working, but now at least it is working. Let me use these last minutes to take you through my gaming channel. This is my gaming channel. So, guys, help me. It's just growing. It is just 1 month old. Leave alone these. These are old. These are just old. We're starting from here. It's just 1 month video. So, guys, please, it's a 1 month channel. Help me subscribe. Help me subscribe, guys. Just come and subscribe. Click to all, please, guys. When you help me with this, guys, I'll make sure I do something good for you. Let me leave the last part. Let me leave you with my gaming. You enjoy it. I sign out. Please, let me show you.
I'm coming!